What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing a screen protector for the 14 Pro Max by Ferilinso. Let's check it out. Thanks for stopping by again today. I've never heard of Ferilinso. I don't know if you guys have or if I'm saying that name correctly or whatnot, but let's get right into it. The screen is anti-bubble, ultra slim, oleophobic, and 9H hardness and fingerprint proof, but that's a bold claim. We'll check it out. Nothing really to see in the packaging. There's nothing on the sides except for this crazy sticker that basically says this thing is for every phone made. Kind of interesting, but I'm guessing that's just something lost in translation. We'll get right into it though. So right away, I'm impressed with the amount of material they include in here for $9.50. You get 2 frames for 2 different types of phones. We'll figure out what that's for later. These little packages that I think have everything you need in them. Some camera lens protectors that I didn't expect to have in there. Pretty awesome. Obviously, this thing is for 2 different phones. And 3 of these 9H tempered glass screen protectors. Pretty awesome. The instructions are pretty clear and straightforward using the frames. Okay, yeah, this thing's for the 14 Pro, the Pro Max, and the 13 Plus and Max, or Pro Max, whatever. Yeah, you get it. So these packages are great because they keep everything nice and organized. You have the wet tissue in there, you have the dust sticker, and there should be a little microfiber cloth in here as well. Yep, there it is. Perfect. So everything you need, and you keep it organized and neat in your drawer until you need another screen protector. So I'm definitely going to start with the alcohol cloth. Again, any oil off the front and the camera lens here. I'm going to use the orange frame because this is a 14 Pro Max. Snap it on. Give it one more cleaning to make sure there's no oil on there so it adheres good. Hit it with that microfiber goodness. Use the sticker to make sure there's nothing stuck to the front of the screen. And sorry for the blurriness that's about to happen here for a few seconds, but one of the things I noticed was as soon as I peeled off the protective layer for the actual glass itself, there was hair or some kind of lint stuck to the back of to the actual surface of the screen protector itself. So when I put it on, almost right away, I noticed that there was a couple more things stuck back there that were not on the screen. So if you're using the screen protector, just take a look at the actual screen protector itself to make sure it doesn't have any dust or anything on there like I do clearly here. Just note where it is, and if you apply a little bit of pressure on the outside, outward pressure that is, the screen protector should basically reverse install and come right away from there. But be sure not to touch the sticky part of the screen protector so you don't get any fingerprints on there, and just use the sticky tape that comes with it again, or you can use Scotch tape if you need another type of dust remover, and that works pretty well. Reinsert the frame, drop the glass back on. These frames are clutch. They make it so easy to install. Basically apply a little pressure. And this time there were some air bubbles, but there was no more lint. The air bubbles, as long as they're not too massive, should work themselves out over the course of a day or two. Or you can just be stubborn like I am and work them out right now. But yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. For $9, the ability to do more than one type of phone is pretty cool. That's one of the benefits of having similarly sized screens across multiple devices. And it also comes with these little camera optics protectors. Now, I've never been hot on these, and I don't think I'll be leaving this on, but I'm going to try it out. Wow, that glue is pretty intense on the back of this thing. Basically just line up the optics and it should snap right on. Cool. Wow, very tight tolerances. It fits really well. Now these are one of the areas you want to make sure there's no lint on before you snap it down because you'll be capturing that in all your pictures. Now let's try it out with a case. I'm going to grab the OtterBox commuter really quickly and throw this thing together. It definitely fits through, no problem. You can see that the bump is a little smaller than the actual camera bump itself, so it fits right through the notch designed for just the optics. But yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for more than one phone even, Ferilinso makes a pretty good solution here. Yeah, so thanks for stopping and checking this out with me today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And I appreciate the subscription. Peace.